Mom, we're gonna get soaked. My butt is all red.
We're gonna get wet. It's a water slide. But it's gonna feel cool and it'll dry up.
Put your feet up on the... Here we go, Emmy.
Hold on to him.
Tight.
Hold on to him, Melissa. Mom, we're gonna get soaked. Oh.
That was like very unplanned into this thing. I can all believe it. I'm surprised it didn't crack. Huh? Yeah.
Put the bar down. Oh. You're not looking for a lot.
No, there's only one.
Guys, hold on to Olivia.
Come on, you don't get it. They never had that. I feel like they redid the book.
Oh yeah.
The detail on the ride, on every single ride, is like unbelievable.
You're eating your hair. Here we go. God, I hope we'd spin. Yeah! Go! No! Spin! No! Oh, shoot! Put your feet up. Put your feet up. Ah!
Keep your feet up.
Try your... Oh no!
Oh, plug your ears!
Oh shoot!
Plug your ears!
Dang!
No. There's still more.
I don't know if there's a bigger drop, but there maybe get squirt.
Oh!
I think that was the big drop.
Yeah.